Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting episode of Affiliate Profits Insights, your guide to online success. I'm Luther, and this series is dedicated to helping you master the art of affiliate marketing and achieve financial freedom. So, grab a notepad, get comfortable, and let's get started on your journey to online success. Today, we're diving into 6 effective strategies to make money on YouTube. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting, these tips will help you boost your earnings. Let's get started. Making money on YouTube can be incredibly rewarding. Here are 6 effective strategies to help you get there. Ad revenue. Enable monetization on your channel and earn from ads shown on your videos. The more views, the higher the revenue. Affiliate marketing. Promote products in your videos and include affiliate links in the description. You earn a commission for every sale made through your link. Sponsorships. Partner with brands for sponsored content and product placements. Reach out to companies that align with your channel's niche. Merchandise sales. Sell your own branded merchandise directly to your audience. Platforms like Teespring make it easy to design and sell your products. For more details on each strategy, check out the full article on our website. In case English is not your native language, feel free to change our website language to your preference. Be sure to click and check out our top recommended method for achieving consistent daily earnings with zero investment. Watch the free video and get started today. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Thanks for watching.